Welcome to Amazing Kitchen Shopping. You get inspired to begin a healthy eating routine. You make yourself a delicious smoothie. You take the first sip, and well, it's lumpy and bumpy. Well, now you can get healthy while making a smoothie that's actually smooth with the BlenderBottle Classic 20-ounce version 2 shaker. Just add your ingredients, drop in the blender bowl, whisk and shake, and discover that smooth tastes really good every time with the BlenderBottle brand shaker cup. It's the absolute secret behind the classic shaker's power that makes your shake smooth to the very last drop. The BlenderBottle Classic Shaker packs a lot of impressive features. A patented mixing system, uses a stainless steel surgical grade wire whisk blender ball. It's snappy. With the innovation leak-proof lid, just push down on the flip cap until it makes a distinctive snap. And you shake with complete confidence, knowing that the blender bottle is securely closed. The rounded base is a classic to ensure that the blender ball reaches every last bit of powder for thorough mixing and to minimize wastage. The shaker is also dishwasher safe, BPA and phthalate free. The BlenderBottle brand classic shaker has a wide mouth, making it easy to add scoops and mix liquids. It's cylindrical in shape and with a generous 20-ounce capacity and dimensions of 3.81 by 3.81 by 8.94 inches. For accurate measurements, it has embossed markings in both ounces and milliliters, with markings that go up to 14 ounces. You're protected by the blender bottle flip-top cap that comes with a spout guard to keep the mouthpiece drinking surface clean. It has a screw-on lid that creates a secure leak-proof seal. You can carry your shake on the go with ease using the extra wide carry loop. And you can even attach your house, car, or gym keys to the carry loop. As an added benefit, the BlenderBottle Classic shaker bottle also fits most car and gym equipment cup holders. So what do other shoppers think of the BlenderBottle Classic shaker? Well, customer ratings at the time of creating this video were over 68,000 at 4.7 out of 5 stars. The BlenderBottle Classic Shaker was rated highly by customers on being easy to clean, blending power, giftable, and durable. So get your BlenderBottle version 2 20-ounce shaker to ensure that your shake is smooth to the very last drop. Check out the links to the BlenderBottle Classic version 2 20-ounce shaker in the description space below. And as usual, subscribe and follow us for more top Amazon best sellers.